Are you ready to secure a financially comfortable future and retire on your own terms? Wish you could make your money work harder for you without having to worry about taxes eating into your savings? You're in luck. In this video, we're going to walk you through an amazingly simple process of opening your very own tax-free retirement account. Stay tuned and watch your path to a worry-free retirement unfold in just 5 easy steps. Step 1. Determine your eligibility. Ensure you meet the income restrictions for a Roth IRA. Step 2. Choose your provider. Look for low-fee options, as these will maximize your earnings over time. Step 3. Visit your chosen provider's website and click on Open an Account. Fill in your personal information. Step 4. Choose your investments. Low-cost index funds or ETFs are a good starting point for most investors. Step 5. Decide how much to contribute. Remember, there's an annual limit. You successfully set up a tax-free retirement account. Start contributing now for a secure future. Discover the secrets to a brighter future now. Get free information at Yoda. Come and start building the life you deserve today. Remember, always consult with a financial advisor for personalized advice.